Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on uploading to YouTube in full quality. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the YouTube app and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the homepage. Choose Settings from the menu that appears. Scroll down the settings and tap on Upload Quality. Select Full Quality from the options. The videos that you upload to YouTube will now upload in full quality. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.